So hello guys, welcome back to a new video of MICROBIOLOgy YouTube channel. So मेरा नाम आकाश. So in this video I am going to cover what are the basic requirements for second year MBBS students. Okay, if you are second year MBBS and you are newly second year MBBS students, so watch this video. So what are the three main subjects of second year MBBS? First is patho, micro, pharmac, pathology, microbiology and pharmacology. Okay, so first I will go one by one. First with pathology. So which is the gold standard book of pathology? That is Robbins. Okay, you can see here, this is a Robbins textbook. There are two parts now. Initially it was one book, now it is two parts, and every teacher will say to read the Robbins. Okay, especially starting general pathology should always be read from Robbins. Okay, so that you can understand everything. Next, other textbook which maximum people read is Hirschman pathology textbook, because the language which is given in Robbins is little high level and it is simplified in Hirschman. And even I read Hirschman textbook. Let me show you Hirschman. This is a Hirschman pathology textbook. Okay, and it is also very good textbook, and everything is very well good, and thickness is this much. Okay, and if you want you can take this, or you go with Robbins, and Robbins is for higher level students. There is another textbook of pathology by Ramdas Nayak, and it is a most simplified pathology textbook, and everything is given like a question and answers type. But I prefer you to read Robbins and follow whichever is convenient to you. Okay, so next go with microbiology. The most gold standard textbook is Essentials of Medical Microbiology by Apurva Shankar Shastri sir. Okay, and it is a gold standard textbook, and it is followed whole India. Okay, and each and every students in reads Apurva Shastri for microbiology. Okay, and this is one of the best book. Even I read Apurva Shankar Shastri textbook, and this is the textbook, and thickness is this much, and this is like 24 karat gold. Okay, you can't get anything better than this, and it is the most simplified also, and everything is written at best quality. It completes each and every point. For Apurva Shastri microbiology, this is best. Don't ever change any textbook other than Apurva Shastri textbook. Okay, and there is another one textbook of microbiology, that is Anant Narayan. You can see here picture. Okay, I read Apurva Shastri, so you can check out Anant Narayan also. I never saw that, but I heard it is also nice. Now coming to the pharmacology, the gold standard textbook for pharmacology is KD Tripathi. You can see here, and the thickness of KD Tripathi is this much, but the pages are thin. Pages are thick. That's why the book is thick. Okay, and it is also best, and it is a gold standard textbook of pharmacology. But I read was Tara V. Shanbag. Okay, and it is a very thin book, and everything is like PPT presentation, and it is one of the best book I have read. And second year. So what are the three gold standard book of all three subjects? First is pathology, that is Robbins. Okay, and in pharmacology, that is KD Tripathi, and in microbiology Apurva Shankar Shastri sir, Essentials of Medical Microbiology. And if you want to score distinction, you should read these three books, and if you want to just pass, you can go like me. Okay, and I have just passed I am not a topper also, I didn't even score distinction also. So there is a small piece of advice from my side. All three subjects like patho, micro and pharmac. Okay, you can see pharmacology means drugs means you should remember. Initially I had a problem to remember all the drugs name. I used to remember like directly, but you should make mnemonics. Okay, mnemonics helps you to remember everything, and I am poor in making mnemonics because I think like God has given us brain, I should remember everything, but it was a myth. I have lost my concentration like that, and at last moment I started making mnemonics, and I was not that much successful. Therefore from beginning only, make a mnemonic right at the corner of the textbook only, so that you can revise it again and again, so that you can remember in exam also. That's why I scored little less in pharmacology. Okay, next is pathology. Pathology is wholly a concept based. Okay, and if you know the concept, you can write pathology. Pathology is a good, there is nothing like you should buy at everything. And next is microbiology. Microbiology is basic things. Some things are fixed in everywhere, like ELISA, PCR, Maltitop, Vitek. These are same for everything, but only small changes will come, that you should remember. Means whole and solely pharmacology and microbiology is ratta topic. Okay, if you are good at ratta everything, so you will top for sure. Now coming to the practicals of all the three subjects. First coming to the pharmacology. In pharmacology there is only basic things are required, and there is no book for pharmacology. All your faculty will provide all everything like PPT and everything, so you can read those charts, case presentation, prescription writing, everything will be given there only. Okay, and I may create a playlist of pharmacology soon. Next coming to the microbiology, I have created a microbiology practical playlist. You can go through that, and no such practical book is there for microbiology, and you can watch videos on YouTube, and in description I will be posting a whole link of microbiology links. Okay, you can see each and everything, gram staining, Z staining, BMW, everything is there. Okay, next coming to the pathology. In pathology there is a practical pathology textbook. Okay, this is a Hirschman practical pathology textbook. You can see this is a very thin textbook and it is also very good. I have studied this and I am making practical pathology series. Okay, practical pathology series means I am discussing the slide. Even I have made one gross video of practical pathology that is of 27 minutes. You can go through them. I have told you how to approach a gross specimen. Okay, so you can understand everything. And slides also I am covering like 3 to 4 minutes. One slide is finished. You can watch them. You check out the practical pathology playlist. Okay. So some people may having doubt like we need to take any lectures like by giving money, like Sparrow, F Gurukul, and another one, what is there? Step ladder. There are many other things. No, I think it is not so much necessary unless and until you want to prepare for next PG. If you want to prepare from second year itself, it is best to take. But if you are like average student and you want to just pass the second year and go to the third year, then there is no much necessary to take all this subject. Even I didn't took. Okay, and all these like notes are available at some places. I can't tell you, but if you follow like at Medicoman India and in Telegram, I may give you some of the few things which may be helpful to you. Okay, notes, only notes.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
Now coming to the best YouTube channels for second year MBBS students on YouTube, which are available for free year. For one pharmacology, there is a channel called Speed Pharmacology. Okay, they have made in 10 minutes video. They will cover like whole everything. That is best channel for pharmacology. And for microbiology, there is no such channel available because the textbook is like a god. Okay, there is no need of any channel or anything. You can just read it and make a note of it. You will understand everything from this textbook. Okay, this is so much simplified textbook. Next for pathology. For pathology, there is a Vijay sir is there. That is I Love Pathology. In I Love Pathology is a YouTube channel. You can check it and it is one of the best channel. I recommend you to watch his videos and he explained Robbins. It is also a very good channel. So apart from the videos which are available on YouTube, which are free, there are some other videos you can get like some sources. Okay, for pathology, you will get pathoma lectures. Okay, pathoma lectures, they are there, but you should little effort, you can get those pathoma lectures. Okay, and for pharmacology you will get GRG videos. Okay, Gar Gobind Rai sir, he is also like god and he will give mnemonics also. If you are good at remembering the mnemonics, go for mnemonics. Okay, because I am very poor at mnemonics, I scored less, but you can score well if you are good in mnemonics and you are good at rakta doing. Okay, and another one for pharmacology is Kaplan videos, and they are also available. But one more thing, many things are available, but you can't utilize them because even I had so much of content, like this much. I had many things to read. Okay, but still I didn't read because everyone want to enjoy their second year. So my motto was to pass the exam. If you want to score the highest, go through all these resources, collect them and utilize them at maximum extent. Or you just want to pass, there are many ways just to pass. Okay. I hope it was helpful. I don't want to waste time of yours. See you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please subscribe the YouTube channel.